In this part of the Finbrella How-To series, I will demonstrate the setup of the Finbrella fixed camlock anchoring system. The setup requires that this foot at the base of the spigot is placed into the ground plate keyhole and then sliding it to the centre of the ground plate into the correct position. The spigot is simply locked into position with a firm half turn clockwise of the cam bolt with the Allen key provided. The spigot is now ready for the upper Finbrella frame and canopy to be lowered into place. Removal of the spigot simply requires a reversal of the fixing procedure. Too easy.